Welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Aloo Ajwain. If you can't say Ajwain like I can't, you can say potatoes and carom seeds. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Ajwain, Ajwain, Ajwain. I'll get there in a minute. Aloo Ajwain. See, I can't do it. To make this simple, tasty but unpronounceable dish, simply heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitable sized pan. Add the hing, dried red chillies and carom seeds and fry off until the seeds start to crackle. I'll pronounce that word right by the end of this video if it kills me. When the seeds have crackled, it's time to add the potatoes. Simply break up into bite-sized pieces and fry off in the hot oil for 2 or 3 minutes. You could use the small waxy potatoes for this, just simply boil them and cut them in half. But I like using the floury potatoes. You get a sort of creamy consistency in the end dish, which I happen to like. Unsurprisingly, my wife doesn't express an opinion on the matter, which is a novelty. Okay, then it's time to add the turmeric, chilli powder, amchoor powder and thoroughly mix in. This is where you also add in any salt that you like. I'd like to say we don't like salt in our potatoes, but the fact of the matter is I just forgot to put it in. When you've fried off the dry spices and salt, and the potatoes are thoroughly heated through, simply serve. I hope you enjoyed this simple and tasty recipe, even if I can't pronounce the name of it. See you on the next one. Bye for now. One more go. Ajwain. See, I knew I'd get it. What do you mean the video's finished? Ball.